Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make breaded buffalo tempeh. Check the description below for full recipe. For ingredients, you'll want all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and breadcrumbs, Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, and garlic powder, avocado oil, a lemon, soy milk, vegan butter, hot sauce of your choice, and tempeh. First, we're going to start by juicing our lemon. I cut this lemon in half and then I use my little juicer tool to juice the lemon. We'll need about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next, I measure out 1 1/4 cup of soy milk. And then I add my lemon juice and stir to combine. This makes a buttermilk substitute. Next, we'll want to combine our dry ingredients. I take 3/4 of a cup of flour and add it to a large bowl. I then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix these dry ingredients well. Next, I add my buttermilk substitute and combine these two well. Lastly, I add almost 1/4 of a cup of Frank's Red Hot. Next, we'll want to cut our tempeh. I open the tempeh, I cut it into half, and then I cut each of the halves into 4 strips. Next, we'll want to make our breading. I add about 1 cup of breadcrumbs to a shallow dish, then about half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Stir these in. You may need to add more seasoning. Next, using a 1-to-1 ratio, I put half a cup of butter and then half a cup of Frank's Red Hot to a saucepan and then turn it on low heat. Next, you'll want to preheat your oil into a pan and then you're ready to fry your tempeh. You'll want to take the tempeh strip and dip it into the batter, making sure it is evenly coated. Then you'll want to do the same in the breadcrumbs, making sure that the batter is evenly coated. Into your preheated pan, you'll want to add the tempeh. You will continue doing this until all your tempeh and vegetables are done. I also fried pickles in this go around. Once you see a golden crust start to form on the bottom, you'll want to flip it.
Look at that crust.
After you've fried all your tempeh, be sure to check on your sauce and stir it to combine, and then you should be done. Here is your fried tempeh with sauce, ranch optional. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I upload new videos every Saturday. Check the description for the link to my Instagram and my recipe blog. Thank you very much.